a.m. 6:45 a.m. Kagigising ko lang. And meron kami call time ng 8 a.m. Tulog pa sila daw. So, mauna na ako maligo sa kanila. Ang lamig. It's 4 degrees outside. Feels like 1 degrees no, sabi ni Siri. So, back later. Wow! Tapos na tayo maligo guys. So, ayan. T-shirt lang ang ating outfit at kasi meron tayo. Yun, kabuha tayo ng coffee para kala Doc tsaka kay Ate Sel. Sino ba? Third floor. At yun na nga, sobrang init pala. Original.
Nag-break na yung mga...
Sa Macas, McDonald's. Hey guys, good morning. We're already after 2 hours delay.
No, it's already...
8? Oh, 1.5 hours. Yeah. Thank you for my OOTD.
The wrong one.
Ate Sel for the beanie. And the jacket. Ano tawag dito? Puffer jacket. The ano to? Gloves. Shoes pa pala. May binigay pa sa shoes. Ayun, ganun. Sabi ko ulan niya yung akin. The shoes. And ano ba bigay? May rosary pa dito. Buksan mo. The LV bag. Oh, and the rosary in the rosary from Portugal. Blessed by Father
My father, Joel. Father Joel.
Rosary. Bilog. Walang rosary.
Walang rosary.
Malalim yan. Para ni... Oh! Malalim yan. Parang yun sa ano, Harry Potter. Yung maraming laman. Yun. Thank you so much, Ate Sel. Ay, meron pa. May pera pa siya. Ay, tsaka Toblerone. Ang dami. Salamat. Okay guys, are you ready? Ay, yun na lang sundan natin yung binigay ni itinerary. Yung Taray Castle. Ayan. Ano ba yun? Walking distance?
Tagal na natin eh.
Walking distance ba yun?
No, it's 30 minutes away from here.
3?
Yeah.
Okay.
I-search mo na kaya mag-update ko.
Good morning guys. Welcome to my vlogan. It's our day 2. Day 2. Day 2 and we're getting ready to go to saan? Castle Osaka Castle. Pero ang problema natin ay kung paano pumunta doon. Dapat meron taga-picture. Hindi, wala pa kapag kumpleto na. So, nandito pa tayo sa Forza. Yeah, good morning, Doc. And it's... ilang degrees ngayon? Wala akong mag-point. Yeah, good morning. From Australia to Osaka very quick. Lamig. Wow. Apple Pay sila. Ako. Ano lang, ticket. Maski pala hindi siya diretso. Pwede. So guys, right now we are in the Nipponbashi station. And ilang stop kaya ito? According to the Google Map. One stop. It's 190 yen. Sayang guys, wala akong dalang stamp pad. Ayun na, pakita natin yung stamp. So anong station? Kamusta di Yojo?
Dapat kita na to.
Wow, Apple Pay. Congratulations. Okay guys. After ng cause of delay ni Cristel, naiwan niya yung bag niya sa CR. Pero pagbalik niya, nandoon pa din yung bag niya. O basta yung bag niya na yun. Naiwan niya. Pagbalik niya, nandoon pa din. Ibang klase dito sa Japan.
You asked me. I don't know.
You know what I mean is,
I didn't realize it. I understand. But I didn't know you had a backpack.
Oh.
Now I know. I will look for you.
Okay, so okay guys, mauna na sila. Ay, naka-green naman eh, so
magaganda yung sa sige.
ano meron doon? Okay, nandito tayo sa Osaka Castle. Pasok na tayo. And it's sobrang lamig. Parang yung kamay mo na pinasok mo sa freezer. Parang ganon. Pero freezer negative naman din yun. Pero sobrang lamig eh. Sobrang lamig. Okay, gloves ko pa rin. Okay. Nasaan sila? Nahuli na ako. Oh my God. So, nung nasa Taiwan tayo, yung sa hot spring, ang init-init. Tapos ito naman, ang lamig-lamig. Ay, hindi, may part din na nasa Taiwan tayo na malamig na nagpunta tayo sa ano.
Oo.
Sa Jingpo.
Yeah. Jinkui.
Jingpo ba?
It was in the mountains.
Mountains, okay. Ayun sila daw. Okay, so meron pala akong gloves. Nasa bulsa ko pala. Thank you Ate Sel sa gloves. So ayan, ang castle ano doon. Ano yan?
Don't say you're tired.
Kaya lang,
Feel tired. You manifest. Like,
lamig.
just don't say it.
No?
Yeah, I'm not
Ganda.
tired.
Parang,
After 2 hours of waiting, guys.
and,
lost
you know, yeah, lost back 15 minutes.
And problem with the Apple Pay. Come on, guys.
Apple Pay.
I know mga suggestions on how to
My mom is really good.
Sabi ko, you need to bring cash. Cash. Cash is power. Okay.
Ma'am, you have to turn off your Bluetooth.
Okay, so papasok pa lang pala yung kanina. Ngayon pala kami nakarating sa tunay na castle. Tapos hawak ako. Meron akong ganito. Meron akong video dito. Meron akong stick. Tatlo sila. Okay. So, patapos na kami sa aming self-service do-it-yourself tour dito sa Osaka Castle kanina doon. Tapos ayan, medyo nagugutom na sila kasi magto-12 na. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami kakain. Oh my God. Tignan nga natin kung ano meron dito.
Yay! You look like a babushka lady. Babushka. Babushka. Yeah. Babushka. You're not made of sugar. Do you know what that means? Yeah, because of the rain.
Wow, may pa-heater sila. Sinimot dito. Ang lamig. Ang lamig sa labas. Super lamig. So, right now, ang ganda ng lighting.
What do you combine it?
So, wait. Ansel. Dr. Patrice from, ano lang bago mo nationality?
Amsterdam.
Parang balita ko, yung nanay mo pinagyayabang bago
No, I'm still
nationality.
Filipino.
Oh.
And Dutch.
Ano yung ano mo, yung passport mo?
US.
US. Pero magkakaroon ka na ng anong passport?
One day.
One day. Ano?
I can have the European Union one.
Pag European yun, ilang countries yun?
That's part of 35 countries.
35 countries.
That's one of the most powerful ones.
Okay. And that's the family Pagkukyambo there.
Is this?
Yun pala yung rice na yun?
Yung sadang. Ano yung sinasabi mo? Hindi, ito yung gusto ko.
Ay, tempura. Tempura naman. Tama.
I like this one.
Parehas iba lang picture. Okay, so here mackerel. Mackerel.
Sige na, kumain ka na. Hindi pa ako.
Okay na ito tayo sa Omeda. The Mazdakar. Omeda Building. May anchor siguro dito. Lamig. Wow. So, ayan.
Kala ko naman.
It's a vlog.
What's your favorite
So it's
color?
not a picture.
Gray. There's a gray na
Oh, there you go, guys.
Which one? The sad one?
Or-
The second one, yeah. I like it.
Kengking katapang na.
Is it nothing weird?
Pati si ano.
Hey.
Let's go na boom.
Let's go.
Eiffel Tower, isang ganun ginanon lang tayo.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
You don't want to climb the stairs going down? Only the Juno, you're going down to the
Si Juno pa talaga.
Hi guys.
Ay, ano na.
Hi guys. Okay guys. Okay.
Ayun na lang. Ay, si Juno.
May papeles pa talaga sila.
Yeah. Video.
お待たせいたしました。それでは失礼いたします。